In this video, we will demonstrate how to install the 2-in-1 seat combo in the Yamaha Drive. The parts you will need to complete the installation include the foot plate and 2 brackets, along with 2 7/16 inch by 3 inch hex bolts and 2 7/16 inch by 3.5 inch hex bolts. The seat support frame. You will use the existing hardware to install. The right and left sidearm brackets with 2 3/8 inch by 1 3/4 inch hex bolts and 4 7/16 inch by 3 inch hex bolts. The bottom seat cushion frame along with 4 1/4 inch by 1.5 inch hex bolts. The golf bag holder along with 2 1/4 inch by 1 3/4 inch hex bolts. The backrest cushion with 2 1/4 inch by 3/4 inch hex bolts. The bottom seat cushion with 4 1/4 inch by 3/4 inch hex bolts. The right and left armrest cushions along with 4 1/4 inch by 1.5 inch hex bolts. The tools required to complete the installation include a ratchet, a 5/8 inch wrench, a 9/16 inch wrench, a 13 millimeter wrench, a 12 millimeter wrench, a 7/16 inch wrench, a 10 millimeter wrench, a 10 millimeter socket, a 7/16 inch socket, a 12 millimeter socket, a 13 millimeter socket, a 9/16 inch socket, a 5/8 inch socket, a 4 millimeter Allen wrench, a 5 millimeter Allen wrench, and an optional impact drill. Before installing the 2-in-1 seat combo in the Yamaha Drive, you will first need to disassemble portions of the existing car as follows. Begin by removing the existing cup holder and backrest cushion from the car. The next step is to remove the rain gutters. To do this, you will remove the 2 screws from each of the rain gutters, then simply separate the gutters from the canopy and pull vertically from the car body. The next step is to remove the existing bottom seat cushion by simply tilting it forward and lifting away. You will want to place a pole or other support structure in place to support the canopy. Next, remove the bolts that connect the vertical canopy supports and remove the engine cover. Now remove the 4 hex bolts from inside the engine compartment, which hold the golf bag holder frame. Then remove the golf bag holder frame. This completes the disassembly procedure. You are now ready to install the 2-in-1 combo seat in the Yamaha Drive. Begin the installation by removing the 2 hex bolts from either side of the bagwell area. Place the seat support frame over the engine compartment and into the support holes. Secure the seat support frame with 4 hex bolts. Next, secure the seat support frame to the vertical canopy supports. Next, place the two footplate brackets over the holes in the bagwell area. Slide the footplate into place and secure it by placing the hex bolts through the brackets and tighten beneath the car. Secure the footplate to the footplate brackets and tighten all hex bolts. Next, we will install the right and left sidearm brackets. Place the sidearm brackets on top of the footplate and secure it to the seat support frame. Secure the brackets to the top of the footplate and tighten all hex bolts. The next step is to install the bottom seat cushion frame. Position the seat cushion frame vertically against the seat support frame and secure it at the hinges. Tighten the bolts on either side so that the seat cushion frame easily hinges up and down. Replace the engine compartment cover. Next, place the bottom seat cushion on top of the bottom seat cushion frame. Swing the frame up and align the holes of the frame to the holes in the seat cushion. Secure the bottom seat cushion to the frame with 4 hex bolts and tighten. The next step is to install the backrest cushion. Begin by lifting the hinged backrest frame and align the holes of the frame with the holes of the backrest. Secure it with the 2 hex bolts and tighten. Next, install the armrest cushions to the right and left sidearm brackets using 2 hex bolts for each. Lift the bottom seat cushion and secure it under the backrest cushion to install the golf bag holder. Place the golf bag holder onto the bottom of the bottom seat cushion and secure it with the 2 hex bolts. The next step is to replace the rain gutters. Place the gutters into the well on the car and attach it to the canopy. Use an Allen wrench to secure them to the vertical supports. Next, reinstall the backrest cushion. Place the cup holder on the vertical canopy support and secure the cup holder and the backrest cushion to the frame. Finally, reinstall the front seat cushion. This completes the installation of the 2-in-1 combo seat for the Yamaha Drive. If you have any further questions regarding this installation, please contact your local dealer.